Arnold, and today I have my Batman handcuffs and barrel of monkeys. My barrel of monkeys.
PJ Raymond.
And they link together. Oh, like that. There's more, so I'm only doing those now. And my Batman handcuffs. This came with my Batman toy kit. Just I don't know where the other pieces are. Close these. Let's see. And how do you open these? How do you get the prisoner out of the handcuffs? Behold the secret switches. And these are really cool. This came in a set, so you gotta get the whole set. And these are really good toys.
Let's see it.